Welcome students, class 10th maths chapter 2 polynomials. Today we are going to start a very important topic, type of polynomials. Students, you know mainly there are two type of polynomials according to power and according to terms. Yesterday we have been discussed about the type of polynomials according to terms. Today we are going to start the type of polynomials according to power. So according to power, the first is linear polynomial, रैखिक बहुपद. एक घात वाला बहुपद रैखिक बहुपद कहलाता है. It means a polynomial of degree 1. What is the degree? It means the maximum power of the variable is called degree. So a polynomial of degree 1, it means power of the variable is 1, is called linear polynomials. Okay students, and the standard form of this polynomial is ax plus b. The standard form of this polynomial is in the form of ax plus b, where a is the coefficient of x and b is a constant terms and x is a variable. Okay, for example, x plus 1, 2x minus 3, minus 4x plus 5, all these are the linear polynomials because they have a variable x and the power of x is 1. It means degree of the polynomial is 1. So these all are linear polynomials. Is clear? The second one is quadratic polynomial, द्विघात बहुपद. दो घात वाला बहुपद द्विघात बहुपद कहलाता है. ये polynomial of degree 2, it means the power of the variable is 2, is called quadratic polynomials. The standard form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where again you see there is a variable x and a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is a constant terms. Similarly we see the variable x have maximum power 2, so this polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Okay students, the maximum power is 2, so this is a quadratic polynomial. For example, x square minus 7x plus 2 is a quadratic polynomial because it have a variable x and the maximum power of the x is 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. Minus 2x square minus 3x is also a quadratic polynomials because it have x variable and the power of x is 2. It doesn't matter that how many terms are they have, but it is very important that they have the power of the variable is 2. Okay, तो power 2 होनी चाहिए. इसमें कितने terms हैं it does not depend according to power. So it is a quadratic polynomial, but in terms of term पदों के आधार पर देखें तो it is a द्विपदी बहुपद, binomial quadrilateral. Okay, so see carefully. And minus x square minus 4 is also a quadratic polynomial because the power of x is 2, the maximum power of x is 2. So minus x square minus 4 is also a quadratic polynomial. जहाँ से देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इस केस में जो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी है इन टर्म्स ऑफ ए नेवर 0, ओके, बी एंड सी में बी 0 बट ए नेवर 0. सो अगेन त्रिघात बहुपद क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल्स, तीन घात वाला बहुपद त्रिघात बहुपद कहलाता है. ये पॉलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 3, इट मीन्स द पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल इज 3, इज कॉल्ड ए क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल. सो द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल इज ए एक्स क्यूब plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to d. Okay, where x is a variable, again a is the coefficient of x cube, b is coefficient of x square, c is coefficient of x and d is a constant terms. For examples, x cube plus 3x square plus 4x minus 1 is a cubic polynomial. Again 2x cube minus 3x is also a cubic polynomial because the variable x has the maximum power 3, and minus of 4x cube plus 5 is also a cubic polynomial because the power of x is again 3. Okay, so we see that the cubic polynomial, the coefficient of x cube is a, again here x square, the coefficient of x square is a, the coefficient of x is a. It means ए नेवर जीरो, किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल्स के लिए ए कभी जीरो नहीं होगा। यदि ए जीरो हो जाएगा तो आप देख लीजिए कि ये टर्म्स गायब हो जाएंगे, ये टर्म्स गायब हो जाएगा, ये टर्म्स गायब हो जाएगा, फिर तो वो ये अगर ये टर्म्स गायब कर दे तो फिर ये आपका लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल्स बन जाता है। तो सो वी कैन से वेयर ए बी सी डी आर रियल नंबर्स and x is a variable in all these conditions and a never 0, it means a is equal to not 0, but b, c and d may be 0 in some times, and then all the times are they have no change in the polynomials, but a never be 0, a कभी 0 नहीं होना चाहिए, b c d 0 भी हो सकते हैं, तो उससे पॉलिनोमियल पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। स्टूडेंट्स तो ये अकॉर्डिंग टू पावर, क्लियर है? वेरी गुड।